Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to move a file to a folder on Google Drive on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Google. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to your web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. Click on Google Apps. Now go to Google Drive. And now we can right click, create a new folder. Let's just call this folder Getting Started. Create, and there the folder is on screen. Now we can right click, move to Getting Started. Move here, and the file that we saw on screen has now moved to Getting Started. There we go. We can go back to Google Drive, quit Google Chrome, and so we can now go all the way down to the dock again. Go to Launchpad, Google Chrome, Google Applications, Google Drive, go back to the folder Getting Started, and there we have the file that was moved to the folder that we created called Getting Started within the Google Drive. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.